Yes, good morning. I think we're very pleased with last business year. We have achieved record results in sales above 29 billion Swiss francs. We also beat all our KPIs from operating profit down to earnings per share and had another very strong year in operating cash flow. It was a challenging year with the hyperinflation in cost and that was our biggest challenge last year. And I'm very satisfied how our people in all key markets successfully overcame the inflation and to achieve record results.
Can you
At the same time, we had
Well, I was just going to ask you about margins, and perhaps that was where you were going to go next, because clearly higher pricing is to, in large part, compensate for higher input costs. Where do margins stand now, and what is a sustainable margin level for investors to think about for the coming year?
We go very confident into this new business year. We have guided that we will continue the profitable growth with sales growth and overproportional increase in operating profit. And this is based also on strong margins. We believe we have a good margin point entering the year. The biggest cost inflation is behind us and our pricing remains very strong. So we look forward to a successful 2023.
Jan, lovely to see you. I hope you're well. I've got a flash on the wires here. It says Holcim CEO says there's no recession at Holcim. But does that mean there's no recession coming in your markets?
No, look, we have talked about this in the past, and it's still the case. There's no recession at Holcim. We have very good order books. We go strong into this year, while there is a softening in Europe already since the first half of last year. We have very strong demand in the North American market, in the Latin American market, and we look forward to a successful year.
Okay, just tell me about Europe. I do note with a mild bit of concern, but like yourself, perhaps not too worried, we have something of a softening in Europe in volumes, not a frightening softening, it says here, your words, not mine, maybe 3 to 5% lower. That sounds quite recessionary to me, Jan.
No, you have to see the mix of our business. We are selling now a lot of higher margin products. We have a big demand for sustainable products, which are selling at good margins. And so the quality of our business in Europe is very intact. And that's why we have nothing to worry. The situation of the softer demands, we talked already about the last time, has not worsened, and it will give us a stable demand to be also successful in Europe this year.
Okay. It's a funny old statement today, Jan, to accompany your earnings. It's about your dual role now. Congratulations, you are now omnipotent at Holcim, being the chairman and CEO. But do you want to be both? Why are we announcing it this way round rather than actually announcing a successor?
Look, we are really in a very fast-paced transformation at Holcim. So besides the record results, we have very successfully transformed the company. We have seen 23 transactions last year to make us strong in solutions and products, to rapidly expand our business in North America, which will already be 40% of our business this year. And in sustainability, we are very fastly decreasing our CO2 footprint. Last year by over 20%, this year by another 10% plus. So we are really in a very fast pace. We have an excellent team in place. This is the reason why the board of directors has decided and asked me to continue with the team for some limited period of time to make sure we don't lose the speed in the execution of our strategy.